to circle a lot throughout the course of today. Number 11, Michael Parsons, one of the best ways to negate one of the top pass rushers in the league. Let him rush, throw a screen off of him, but well defended.
Yeah, promising start to the drive with a big play to Lawrence Cager, but now here is the punt team.
This Brooklyn been punting like shit too.
Whoa! He touched it at the one.
Safety.
And so the Cowboys will take over on their own 20. Just so
Oh shit.
almost like you have the Thanksgiving turkey slipped through your hands. You gotta make
Hey
that
guys, welcome back. It's great to see you all again for this month's
Little things like that.
greatest
Yeah.
and spectacular episode performance. Tonight we're going to draw King SNUGGLEMANE, one of the main characters from Mau Mau, Heroes of Pure Heart.
Chris, what does he do with these copies?
Prince-
That's for his YouTube channel.
Huh?
That's for his YouTube channel. That's for his YouTube channel.
YouTube channel?
Prince SNUGGLEMANE is one of the main characters.
Teaches people how to draw.
He's based on a lion, only he's more passionate and is pure white and has a vanity for British paintings.
That film, the singing dog.
King SNUGGLEMANE
Oh my God.
is the king of Pure Heart Valley, and I'm proud to draw him for you guys.
Did you know Google makes a phone? Do you know about its camera? Like the way it fixes blurry photos. Magically erases annoying distractions. And even
During the course of the game, Chris, if I was to venture from the kickoff to the end, I would venture there's 100, maybe more advertisements.
Right, here's the
Unbelievable. Timeout, first down, this guy hurt, but there's five advertisements.
Somebody's got to pay for that game.
Yeah, I know.
They're making millions of dollars. Where's that money coming from? TV endorsements.
We're inundated with these things. I mean, it's...
back here in Texas. Giants good start to the drive, had to punt it away, and now we'll see the Cowboys for the first time.
I would endorse my job.
Offense where they just exploded in a run over Minnesota last week. 40-3 the victory there. Taking on the rivals of
They're making $20 million a year. Where's that money
Look at
coming
this.
from?
Look at this.
Oh shit.
For Christ's sake. Come on.
There we are. Here's his tail.
And then a great job there. Noah Brown, Michael Gallup, the wide receivers. He's got a whole convoy of guys up in front. Hear that play. You got to get the end first. Everything else is easy.
There we are. Lastly, we draw the cake.
Another first down.
Long day here.
There he is. That's how you draw King SNUGGLEMANE from Mau Mau. If you ask me, we have to save the franchise. I really wish to know what happens in the next episode. The show must go on. We need your support, guys. Mau Mau Heroes of Pure Heart must continue. For his goal to become the greatest hero in all of the cosmos, it must continue. I suggest a movie.